Hi everybody. I've had a few customers ask if I can show you how to register your machine in Canvas Workspace. So I thought that's what we'd do this morning. Rather than just saying it, I thought we'd actually do it, which is much easier to follow. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your settings on your main screen and scroll right down to the bottom and go up to your file, there to your Find Network, okay? And you're going to literally just press on. So it'll be off. What you do is press on, okay? It's that simple. Then we're going to go to Setup Wizard. So it's picked up Highlight Crafts and Guest. It's also picked up all these different ones, okay? So it will find yours. So I'm going to register in Highlight Crafts and press OK. And then it's going to ask me for a network key or password. So we're just going to come off the screen while I type that in. So you will find yours on the back of your router. So I'm going to just type this one in. So you're going to type in your passcode. And then you press OK, and then it will say apply settings. And yes, I want to apply the settings. So it's now going to connect this scan and cut to our Wi-Fi. So it says connected to landline, specify the Canvas Workspace setting in order to send cutting data between Canvas Workspace and the machine. So we go to next. Gives you the same information. So press next again, and your number, your unique serial number, will come up on your screen. So this isn't about registering your machine with Brother so they know which one you've got. They already know that because a machine will be allocated to a certain order, so they'll already have that information. This is about linking your machine to your Canvas Workspace account. So if we now go into Canvas Workspace, once you set up an account, you'll have excuse me, your username at the top. So if you click on that and go to Machines Registration, you can register up to 4 machines. So I'm going to click Register a New Machine, click on where it says number and type in the code that's on your machine. Okay, so you're going to type in yours, I'm going to type in mine. Now there's a dash somewhere, but you don't need to put the dash in, it automatically puts it in for you. So just checking that that's correct, which it is. I'm going to press OK. Now it gives you a PIN code. So that's your 4-digit PIN code. So when we come back to the machine, once you've typed in that unique serial number, you're going to press OK and you're going to type in that passcode and press OK. Tells you by clicking OK, following information will be sent to Brother's server to pair your machine with Canvas Workspace login, the machine number, the PIN code, and the MAC address. Okay, so I'm going to press OK. And it takes a few seconds because it's processing all that information. The Canvas Workspace setting has been specified. So now you just press OK on there and then go back and press OK again, and you're back on your home screen. And then in Canvas Workspace, you're just going to click OK after you've typed the PIN code into your machine. And now our machine there is ready for transfer. So if we go back to Canvas Workspace, let's go into New. And I'm just going to choose one of my projects. So let's find that one, for example. And I'm now going to download that via Wi-Fi, and it tells me it's ready. So when I come back to the machine then, I will retrieve data from the cloud. With a bit of luck and a following wind, there's my design. So it's that simple. If you ever then change your machine, you can remove that machine from Canvas Workspace and add another one. So super, super simple to do. Connect to your network first, go to your machine registration on your machine, and then it will talk you through it literally step by step. I really hope that helped, and come back and see us again because we're going to be doing loads more education for you. Take care, see you soon. Lots of love. Bye-bye.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts,
make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video or click here to see more videos like this one.